Hare Krishna. This video is about adding audio and video lectures and events to the site. So for that purpose, you can click on shortcuts on the black line and then go to add content, and as you can see, if you want to add lectures, bhajans, events, anything more or less, you have to add new source type of content. Here we have a few tabs. We are not going to cover all these tabs in one video, so this video about adding lectures will be divided into few parts. Here on the first screen, main screen, you can add a title for lecture. I will just add some dummy title for this presentation purpose, and you can select a lecture. Regarding events and lectures, there is one difference between these two types of source. Lecture is just some classic lecture on some topic or seminar or something like that, and event is audio recording or video recording of some festival or some other type of ISKCON event, like initiation ceremonies, Ratayatra festivals, installation of deities, etc. So usually event is not only the lecture. Sometimes it has lecture inside, sometimes not, but event is the more broad happening with a lot of things, bhajans and lectures and abhisheks and yagyas and whatever. For now we will focus on lectures, and on the other tab, the second tab, is the source of lecture. So here you can choose audio, video, and etc. But this will be covered in one of next videos, because it is a little larger topic. Here in this video we will focus on date and location tab also. So this is the date of the lecture, not date of when you are uploading this article. This is the date when the lecture is given. It can have start date and end date. If it is some kind of seminar which takes few days, or a series of lectures which takes few days, you can also enter the end date. Usually you will just have the start date. Let's say it's I don't know, some date in the past. Here there are two fields which are somehow connected to the date field, because it is these two fields are important for search options and for sorting lectures. So usually you will just repeat the year here. You can choose any year. Let's take 2021, and you can you should also repeat the month of the lecture. In our case, it's June. Country is the country where the lecture is given. Is it Poland or Belgium or some other? Let's say, so let select Slovenia as country here, and let's see if there is Ljubljana city, Ljubljana temple here. If there is no location here, then you can just type the name of the city or the name of the temple, and if you get no suggestion for that, then it means that it's not entered yet. It's not in the list of known temples or cities. So in that case, you can just type the name of city or the name of the temple here, and it will be entered. When you click save, this new location will be entered. And here there is one more thing, translation. Sometimes lectures have translations to from English to other language, like in this case this is lecture in Slovenia, so probably you can have the Slovenian translation here. So this is it for date and location tab, and we will cover other three source, info and tags tabs in the next video.